Introducing Napier Synchros purpureus from the grass family Oaceae. Napier is an upright, robust, densely tufted perennial bunch grass 2 to 7 meters high with a large deep root system and short creeping rhizomes. The stem is smooth, erect, or often bent and spreading at the base, with short hairs just below the inflorescence. Leaves are finely pointed, 30 to 90 centimeters long, up to 2.5 centimeters wide, with a prominent whitish midrib wrap on edges. Fruit is a caryopsis. It is propagated by seed and vegetatively by rhizomes. It is found in dryland field crops and plantation crops. Napier has a range of uses in perennial gardening. It is extensively cultivated as an excellent drought-resistant grass for grain forage, silage, and mulching. Some cultivars withstand permanent grazing. Sometimes it is grown for soil regeneration as wind shelter, for erosion control, and also for biomass production. It can be used for ground cover, soil conservation, and as a windbreak. It is planted as a boundary marker between garden plots. Even though the roots can compete with the adjacent crops, the vigorous, compact habit of growth enables the plant to establish stands on river banks, preventing erosion and scour. Intercropping with cassava and banana is often practiced in home gardens.